Good morning everybody. Previous class we already studied the introduction of coordinate geometry. Today we will explain the coordinates of a point in a Cartesian plane. What is a Cartesian plane? You already studied the x-axis, that is a horizontal line, x dash, and y-axis, y dash, intersect at the origin, they form the Cartesian plane or xy plane or coordinates plane. Here, this 0x, this is a positive axis because 1, 2, 3, 4, and OY is also a positive axis because plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, etc. And OY dash is a negative axis because we will represent -1, -2, -3, etc. And OX dash axis is also a negative axis, that is -1, -2, -3, etc. That already we explained in the previous class. Here, today we will explain the coordinates of a point in the xy plane or Cartesian plane. Here I have taken a point. You know how to locate its position. We already studied using two perpendicular lines, one horizontal line and one vertical line. We can locate the position of this point. This point I am taking P. The coordinates of this point is, 4, 3. This 4 is called the x coordinate and 3 is called the y coordinate. X coordinate of a point P is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis and measured along the x-axis. X coordinate means perpendicular distance, this is the y-axis. Perpendicular distance from the y-axis and measured along the x-axis, that is measured along the, that is 4 units. This y-coordinates of a point of is perpendicular distance from the x-axis and measured along the y-axis. This is 3. It is 4, 3 is the coordinates of the point P. This x coordinate is called under name already explained abscissa. And y coordinate is called the ordinate. Okay. That is the coordinates of a point in the Cartesian plane. The coordinates of P are 4, 3. This is S coordinate. First one is S coordinate and second one is Y coordinate. You have to put a bracket. Inside the bracket we have to write the S coordinate and the Y coordinate is called the, then it is called the coordinates. The coordinates of P is 4, 3. This is S coordinate or abscissa and this is Y coordinate or ordinate. Okay. S coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis and measured along the x-axis, that is 4. Then y coordinate of a point, this point is its perpendicular distance from the x-axis and measured along the y-axis. The distance is 3 units. That is 4, 3. Okay. Every point in Cartesian plane has a unique point. Okay. Every point in a Cartesian plane has a unique place. Here, I am taking another point here, that is point Q. Its coordinates are, S coordinate means perpendicular distance from the y-axis and measured along the x-axis, that is 3. And y coordinates is a perpendicular distance from the x-axis and measured along the y-axis, that is 3, 4. Okay, and this point is 4, 3. They are different points. Okay. Then here 3, 4 places here and 4, 3. The point P is here. So the point 3, 4 is not equal to point 4, 3. Okay. Then this way we can locate the position of a point in the Cartesian plane. One more thing. I am taking a point in the axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. I am taking a point here, this point R. What is its coordinate? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. But this point is in the x-axis. In the x-axis, a point is there. It's a y-coordinate 0. This an x-axis means a bullet descends from the y-axis. Okay, that is this point is 3, 0. This is 3, 0. That is point on the x-axis is a y-coordinate 0. Because its x-coordinate is perpendicular distance from the y-axis. That is 3. Then I am getting another point here. That this point is in the y-axis. Then its coordinate is y-axis. This is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis. Okay, that is y-coordinate. That is 0, minus 2. That is a point in the y-axis is s-coordinate 0. That is the points in the axis. If a point in the x-axis is y-coordinate 0, a point in the y-axis is s-coordinate 0. So generally we can say that a point in the x-axis is of the form x0. A point in the x-axis is of the form x0 and a point in the y-axis is of the form y-axis means its x-coordinate 0, y. These are the two points. If a point in the x-axis, generally we can say that a point in the x-axis is of the form. In the x-axis means it's a y-coordinate 0. That is x0. A point in the y-axis is its x-coordinate 0. That is 0, y. These are the general form of a point in the x-axis and y-axis. Then you know what is the coordinates of origin? Origin is here. That is 0, 0. 0, 0 is the coordinates of origin. Its coordinate is 0, 0. S coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 0. Okay, that's the coordinates of a point in the Cartesian plane and axis we already studied. That is a point in a Cartesian plane. The coordinates are s coordinate and y coordinate. S coordinate is called abscissa. Y coordinate is called ordinate. If a point is in the axis, if the point is in the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Okay, that is the general form of a point in the x-axis is x0. A point in the y-axis is a point in the y-axis, its x-coordinate 0. That is 0, y. Okay. Then we are to study the sign of coordinates in the Cartesian plane. Positive sign or negative sign. Cartesian plane means x dash horizontal line, y dash vertical line and origin 0. The sign, plus sign or minus sign of a coordinates in the Cartesian plane. We know this is a positive x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a negative x-axis, -1, -2, -3, -4. And this is a positive y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the negative y-axis, -1, -3, -4. Here we have to take a point in this plane. I am taking a point here. Here I am taking a point, and we have to locate its position. This point is S. Its coordinates you know. X coordinate is perpendicular distance from the y-axis and measured along the x-axis, that is 4. And y coordinate is perpendicular distance from the x-axis measured along the y-axis 4, 3. Here, here we are, I didn't put positive, but these are positive numbers, and this also. So these coordinates are 4, 3. S coordinate is positive and y coordinate is positive because the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. We are taking anti-clockwise direction. In the first quadrant is involved by two positive x-axis and a positive y-axis. Therefore, a coordinate or the coordinates of a point in the first quadrant is both are positive. That is, the point is in the form plus, because the first quadrant is involved by two axes, that is positive x-axis and a positive y-axis. Therefore, the s coordinate and y coordinate of each point in the first quadrant is always positive. That is, the sign of the coordinates in the first quadrant is of the form plus plus. Okay. Then come to second quadrant. I am taking one point here. Okay. Locate its position. Plus 2 this one. Then what is the position? X coordinate, perpendicular distance from the y-axis and measured along the x-axis is -3. Here 2. Here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive because in the second quadrant is involved by a negative x-axis and a positive y-axis. Therefore, the coordinates of a point in the second quadrant, the sign is always minus plus. S coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. In the third quadrant, both the axes are negative. Therefore, here the sign of the coordinates are minus minus. And in the fourth quadrant, here x-axis positive and y-axis negative. So here the x-axis plus and y coordinate, x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. These are the sign of the coordinates in the quadrant. The first quadrant, both x coordinate and y coordinate are positive. Second quadrant, s coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. Third quadrant, both the s coordinate and the y coordinates are negative. And fourth quadrant, s coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Here looking first and third quadrant. First quadrant both coordinates are positive and third quadrant both coordinates are negative. And in the second quadrant, s coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. It's opposite here. Look here, s coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. This way we can put the sign in the coordinates. Sign of the coordinates in the Cartesian plane. Okay, in the first quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate are positive because here involved by two positive axes. And second quadrant involved by positive y-axis and negative x-axis. Therefore, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate positive. In third quadrant, both the axes are negative. So, for third quadrant involved by the two axes are negative. Therefore, here x coordinate negative and y coordinate negative. And the fourth quadrant, x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. This way we can put the sign of a point in the Cartesian plane. Okay. So today we will explain the x coordinate and y coordinate of a point and the coordinates of a point in the axis and the coordinates of origin, and next we have to explain the sign of a coordinates in the Cartesian plane. That is the sign of x coordinate and y coordinate in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, thank you all.